message from me to our whole Mary Kay Europe family. This message is for the whole Mary Kay Europe family, for our experienced beauty consultants in Europe, to our new beauty consultants in Europe, to our directors, to our nationals, to our staff in every market, to our general managers and management teams, to our region team all over the region and back in the Dallas office. I just want to say a big thank you to the whole Mary Kay Europe family for all of the hard work, creativity, flexibility, everything that you are contributing right now. I want to say thank you for the great start to the year that we've had. We had a wonderful start to the year. January and February were very strong months across our entire region, and I am absolutely sure that we will be able to overcome anything and everything to have a very strong 2020 in Europe. I'm very sure of that. Why am I sure of that? Well, I'm sure of that for a few reasons. A few of them come back to our wonderful Mary Kay Ash and the lessons that she taught us when we think about her books and her lessons and her quotes. Mary Kay Ash taught us that people are our biggest asset. And that's how we feel at Mary Kay, and that's how we feel in Mary Kay Europe. People are our biggest asset. We're changing the way that we're going to work in many different ways in March, in April, and who knows. But we're going to get through it. Mary Kay Ash also taught us about obstacles, and she was always positive, and I think that that's very important that we all continue to have a very positive attitude. How did Mary Kay Ash see obstacles? Mary Kay Ash said that obstacles are stepping stones to bigger success. We're having to change things this month. I am absolutely sure that if we take a step back, decide what was the purpose of an event or a meeting or anything that we're doing, what was the purpose, we can break it down and we can deliver that purpose, we can deliver that message, we can deliver the benefit in many different ways. And we have a great chance of ending up with a bigger and better result than we would have had. We have important plans. We continue to have important plans. Most importantly, we have a great team in Europe. We have a team of staff, we have a team of consultants, we have a team of directors, national sales directors. We're a family. We are the Mary Kay Europe family. Together, we can accomplish anything. Together, we can get through anything. Remember what Mary Kay Ash said, when God closes a door, he opens a window. We're finding those windows right now. We're finding the new opportunities. We're being creative, we're being determined. We're a family. I am always very proud of everything that we achieve in Europe, in every single market. I know that I'm going to be even more proud in 2020. I believe in you, and I appreciate everything you do to support the Mary Kay mission.